Hi, I am Dr. Alka Goyal. I am associated with Rich Bansab's IVF Center, and we are dealing with couple treatment here basically. The infertility is basically of two types. 50% it is because of male factor and 50% it is because of the female factor. The problem here arises that nowadays there is lot of stress and later stages of marriage. Uh, so basically infertility is at a leading pace nowadays. So प्रीवियसली जब शादी जल्दी होते थे तो बच्चे भी आराम से जल्दी जल्दी हो जाते थे, लेकिन आजकल स्ट्रेस फैक्टर इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है कि उसकी वजह से और लोगों के वर्किंग स्टाइल की वजह से दे डोंट प्लान अर्ली. दे think that we should wait for another 4-5 years after marriage. So all this lead to infections, and sometimes because of this only people ends up into the infertility problems. So we are basically here to treat the female infertility part as a IVF specialist, and as a male infertility part also, because here Dr. Sarabjit is also there for male. So we are dealing basically with couple treatment. And the thing is कि जो भी problems आपकी हैं, half of the times you are not going to the appropriate doctor, and you are wasting time. Like sometimes somewhere you are doing follicular monitoring, then you are thinking that 2-3 cycles we keep on doing follicular monitoring, and then we will try spontaneous. So there is a protocol which one should follow. Like if you are planning for the pregnancy, then you should start taking treatment from very beginning to with the infertility specialist only, so that you don't waste the time. And here we are doing all type of procedures like IUI, tube test, tubal patency test, HSG, SSG, and then IUI, ovulation induction. And then the couple who are not conceiving by all these procedures, then we go for the IVF treatment. So basically we are doing with the all treatments here. So you are most welcome to come here as your infertility problems, because most of the time the results are very good. They are more than 40-50% with IVF treatment here, and with IUI also this is 20-30%. And we are doing all type like donor IUI and donor, but with the husband semen also we are doing, and with the donor both types of IUI we are doing, and also we are doing embryo transfer, donor embryo transfer, all kind of infertility problems we are dealing with. Thank you.